morning, my dear students. Ngakpiyu unadaba. Ngasi class 1 ki lesson number 4. Lesson number 4. Asigi picture je yung lesson number 4. The dog and the red van. Dog haidi picture je yung munna jengu. Dog haidi hui. Dog ama jaudra. Si hui ama jaudra. Si se dog. Si gari sina van. Hui siga van siga gi wari thanga ba. Yo siga su ire siga su je munna jengu siga su je se uraba. Hui amaga van amaga je se uraba. Hui amaga van amaga je se uraba. Ai wari se parake ahambada English na parake dulorga maiterona translate torake khanga ba. One day, a small dog on the road felt very hot. He looked up at the big sun. It was shining brightly. He wanted to have a long ride in a vehicle. He waited by the side of the road eagerly for the red van to come. He heard a noise and looked back. He saw his friends, the fox and the ox. They were in a queue at the ticket counter. He wanted to say good morning to them, but just then the red van came. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The dog signaled. The van stopped. The dog jumped into the van. The van took him for a long ride. There was a cold wind blowing through the window. The dog enjoyed the ride very much. He felt very happy. He thanked the van for the ride. Kay haiba, one day a small dog on the road felt very hot. Haidi nongma huinau macha ama small dog haidi huinau macha ama na lambi da yam olangami aba lambi haidi road haidi English da road haidi maiteron da lambi ni nongma khak huinau macha ama lambi da yamna olangami ba mathangi line jina jengu. He looked up at the big sun. He looked up at the big sun haidi kaino hujiki huinau macha do na nong thakta mathakta nusha di mathakta leidana mathakta jengkhatli ba ko nusha je chawbara pikpara chawli natra adi duni hai se hujiki huinau macha do na mathakta chawba nusha duga jengkhatli hai ba ma jamna mangan. It was shining brightly haidi yamna mangan keno to na ngalammi aba. He wanted to have a long ride in a vehicle. Ma hujiki gari duga lambi da tongaga chatningami aba. Mana lambi gi matai da lepaga kari ngairami jamna khaurangna angangba machugi van amakhak ngairami ba. Dugaydi mana makhon amakhak tare. Makhon haidi kaino noise. Noise haise kaino makhon haiba. Hujiki huinau macha do na makhon amakhak tare. Makhon do taraga mana maning mondhoga jengami aba. Look back haidi maning mondhoga jengba. Duga mana maning mondhoga jengba duga kari ui magi mamanaba sing. Mamanaba haidi friends haidi English da friends haidi maiteronda mamanaba haini. Magi mamanaba sing urami. Magi mamanaba sing do kana kana no langbui ga Daily ox haidi san na koi samboga koiba sando do idani ox haidi san laba do amom na kaw ko ridana ox haidi san laba do samboga koiba sando adi ani do urame aba adi ani do kanano hujiki huinau macha dagi mamanaba haidi English ka ino friends adi moi sing do kari tawna leiramino moi line let na leirame aba amagi matungda ama line Q haidi chumtring chumna akoi morning assembly da sang leptra mathong manau naina ama lepaga maningda ama phaireng tureng lepra khoi phaireng tureng lepte natra chap tingna lepani aduiduni Q haise. They were in a queue at the ticket counter. Kadai dano moina line lepam bido ticket counter da ticket counter haise hujiki gari tongna bagi ticket akoi noi Guwahati daga chatna raba Guwahati chatbada ticket ka aba kaina haina dra adudugi ticket ka pham duga moi line oina lepam dura dedi ma kari haining ami ma good morning haining ami aba noi na school da lakpada ayu nganta da school da lakpada oja sing uraga good morning haidra adumaina huinau macha duna hujiki magi mamanaba sing duga kari haining ami ba good morning haining ami ba adu hek haine adu hek matang duga kari tawre angang ma machugi van amakhak lae aba van do kamai lai ba kamai lae haina kamai khangi ba van do na makhon do ale aba makhon do kamai tawa makhon no brum 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 haina makhon do ale ba Dede huina majaduna gari do khame gari no hujiki van do khame khamaga mana khama matamda van du su mata chana na lepa banina thong do hangdorakpada huina majaduna pal launa chongchalle aba tu sigi picture siga jiu huina majaduna van sigi manung da chongchandra adi duni haise. The dog jumped into the van. Asije kaya kadorino sije the dog jumped into the van chongchalle ba sije. The van took him for a long ride. Ini ujiki van duna ke dore mabu sang na gari tonghalaga sang na pure aba. There was a cold wind blowing through the window. Akoi gari tongba matamda khirki hangdodi ke dori nuksit lagtara. Adugi nuksit to ke dorami maoda su nuksit to laami nuksit to ayingba nuksit laami aba. Asaba nuksit nate ayingba nuksit. Cold haidi ayingba. Ujiki hina muchata jam harau rami. Dagedi mana magi van duga he thanked the van for the ride gari tongan bagi damakta thank you hairam me aba ko ngasi gidi siga loisalasi bye bye.